Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of mining investment website. So here this is the latest design and new concept of mining investment website. So in this video I will show you how you can make this kind of site. So first of all users, here you can see that I have hosted it on my subdomain demo4.scriptsmasher.com. So you have no confusion left about it. So I will give you the complete demo on my own domain, and I will give you the demo of this user panel and admin panel as well. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I will show you how you can make your own mining investment website. So viewers, in this video, so here you can see there is a login page and register page. So if you have account you can log in, but if you don't have an account you must have to register. So by filling these details you can register on the website, and here I already have an account, so I'm not gonna register again. So I will log in with my existing details. So here I have to enter my password. Now when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel. So here viewers, you can see that how amazing this website is. So let me just use it. So here you can see first of all the banners on your website. You can insert these banners from admin panel. It's completely simple, so you can use these banners. Now here you can see there are different options of recharge, withdrawal, invite bonus, support, so you can use them as well. So here you can see different plans on your website. So you can see total amount 10 USDT, total commission 1.5% daily USDT, commission income daily 0.15 USDT for 7 days. So you can create these plans from admin panel. It's completely simple to create plan, and if you want to change the images on the website you can change images as well. So you can use your own images like TRX mining website. You need any type of concept you want to make it for, you can change the images and make it and in that concept. So now here you can see there is a recharge option. So you can see your account balance as well here. So by using these you have to enter the amount you want to recharge, copy the address, send the amount, and here you can easily deposit money. You can send request for recharge from here. Here is withdrawal options. So viewers, here you can see that we are on withdrawal page, and here you have to give all your withdrawal payment method USDT details, and you can easily withdraw your money from this website. So let me just go back to home page. And if you want to invest in any plan, so here you can invest in this plan from here. So it's completely simple to invest, and you can make these plans from admin panel, so you don't need to worry about anything. Here you can see your invite bonus, so like referral commission you can see over here in this section, and you can see all your referral details here. So here is support option as well, so user can click it to visit your WhatsApp or Telegram in which you want to provide support to user. Here you can go to earning section, so you can see all your earnings like commissions, referral commissions, and earning over here like commission, interest earning over here. Here is team section, so you can see all your teams in this section. Here is share section, so you can share your QR or link, referral link from here, and user can join through that link as well. So this is my section, so you can see all your account details like USDT bonus, investment, receivable, recharge, withdrawal, bonus code. You can see personal details, you can see balance record, recharge record, withdrawal record, customer support. You can download app. So we also provide the building APK services. So now if you need the APK of this website, we also built the APKs, so you don't need to worry about that, and you can log out. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description for both Telegram and WhatsApp. So you can contact us on any of the platform you want, and you can buy this script from us on a very reasonable price, and it's completely working script. There is no error in it, as I am completely guiding you about this. So I've completely tested it and it's completely working. And if you buy from us, we will provide you the complete support as well. So you don't need to worry about anything if you buy from us. If you need the complete end-to-end ready-made website, we build the complete websites as well. So viewers, this is all about its user panel, and now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I will show you how you can control this website from the admin panel. So now let's go to the admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that I am on the admin login page of this website. Now in order to log in here, you have to enter your email and password, so you can easily log into your admin panel of this website. So now click on continue, and here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website. Here you can see your total purchases, users, active bonuses, gateways, running minings, pending withdrawal, deposits, each and everything you can see over here. You can see the notifications as well here. And viewers, here you can create the plans on the website. So here when you go to add VIP, so you can create as many as plans you want. Now you can delete the existing plans as well, and you can edit them as well from here. So now if you want to edit any plan, just edit it, and you can edit the plan from here. Now go back, and if you want to create a new plan, just go to add new, enter the name of plan, title of plan, upload the image on the plan. So you can use it as any other TRX mining USDT mining website as well, so there will be no issue. So here you can upload the image and all the details about commission of the plan and etc, and you can create a plan from here. Here you can change the sliders on the website, so you can see all different sliders on the website. You can delete them, and if you want to insert your own slider, just go to add new, and you can upload a slider and you can insert your own slider. Here you can see all mining purchase list, so you can see all the users that purchase different mining plans on the website. So you can see all the list over here in this section. Here you can manage all the bonuses on your website, like when you go to bonus, so you can manage all the bonuses. So here you have to enter your bonus code, and you can give bonuses to user, like adding amount from cutting amount from user account, or adding amount to user account. You can see all your bonuses list. Here you can see all your customer list on the website. So these are all the customers on the website, so you can see them. Now if you want to edit them or send them bonuses, you can do it from here, and if you want to search any customer, you can do it as well. So these are the purchase record. You can view all the purchase records of users. You can see customer payments. So when the customer will request a deposit, the request will be appeared right here, and admin have to approve the request after verification. So this is how you can approve or reject the deposit request of user. So you can see all your USDT payment request here in this section. So this is for USDT, and here are withdrawal section. Same like deposit, withdrawal request will be appeared right here. Like admin can see all pending withdrawal requests, and admin can approve them or reject them from here. So admin can approve or reject it. So here are user notices. So admin can send notices to user, like admin can add notice from here. So it's completely simple to add description and notice from this section. This is the setting option. So from manage methods, admin can create a deposit method from here. So currently you can see there are 3 deposit methods on the website, but if admin want to create a new deposit method, admin can go to add new item and add a new deposit method. So here you have to fill the name of deposit method number, like any number or bank account you want to add, image of that method, recharge, minimum recharge, maximum recharge, withdrawals, limits, each and everything you can set it up from here, and you can set the method type from this section. So this is how you can create a method on your website. Now if you want to edit the existing one, just click on edit, and you can edit the existing methods as well. That is completely a simple thing. So even if a guy that don't have knowledge about any web development or etc, any person can use this kind of website, because you don't need any coding knowledge to control this. So you can control easily from admin panel. You don't have to do nothing, and we will also provide you complete support if you buy from us. Here you can change the logo of your website from here. It's completely simple. You can change the name of website, title of website, company date of birth, support link, you can change it from here. USDT rates, you can set it up from here. Income surveys, tasks, summaries, descriptions of website, withdrawal conditions. So you can manage all those things from here. Here you can also insert different support links for different channels. Here you can set up referral commissions, like here you can set up referral received commission, second referee, level 1, level 2, level 3, etc. And you can manage all these things from here, and here you can write your about us section. Viewers, in this video I completely guided you about this website. Now if you want to buy this source code, or if you need the complete end-to-end website, just contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description and we will provide you what you want. And again, thanks for watching this video. Also comment your thoughts in our comment box of this video, and tell us what next video related to which website you need, and we will make it. And if you need any type of website, just contact us. We have all types of website available. We will build the site for you. And viewers, do also do like the video, subscribe to channel, and be happy.